हेलो दोस्तों, तो मेरा नाम अनिकेत सिंह है और मैं फिर से आ गया एक नई वीडियो इन विच आई show how to download sketchbook from online and how to use it. Mainly I will tell you how to draw and from starting to beginning. So let's start. This is my sketchbook. So for downloading that, there is a link in the description. I have given it in the description. The link is this. Just copy it. After copying the link, go to your browser, click on Control V. Control V is a shortcut of using O. For this, you should not on your ad blocker. If your ad blocker is on, then this will not work. So just simply close it and wait for a minute. Don't allow all that thing. Please wait for 5 seconds and all that stuff. Okay, skip ad and cross this. This is the official page of Sketchbook in which you can download from any platform. I mean from Windows or Mac. You can download for anyone. Click here to download stuff if your download has been not started. Whenever you are, as soon as you reach this page, you automatically will start download. I have downloaded it before, so I will just go to my downloads, and after I will search for sketchbook. This is my sketchbook. I will close my old. Wait a minute. Where is the sketchbook? This. No. Now all that is stuff I will delete later. I'll just wait for a minute. Yes, I want to install this. I agree. Next. Done. I already installed it, so there is no need of installing it again. So okay. Now minimize this. So this is your sketchbook in which you will start drawing something new. Okay, so I will just show you this is how it works. It's very easy and interesting. You can use one type of perspective like this. So I will just show you a box from one point perspective. Oh shit, I zoomed it too much. Use shift key for if you don't like all that stuff. So I am using my shift key while zooming. Oh sorry, it's not shift. It's spacebar. Sorry, I have just said wrong. So go to edit preferences, control plus. Here are outputs. If you use shortcuts, then use all this stuff. It's good. I mean it's faster. Okay, browse all that stuff if you want to use or see some of the information about it and all that thing. So I will create a list in which I will show you how to use all these things. So I'm making a box, I mean cuboid or rectangle with one time 1 point perspective. Okay. So this is my box. I think I need to zoom it much more. So for that just use your space bar and zoom it. See, this is the problem of the pixels. So go to preferences, canvas, and do this to 300. It is the best for pixel. Now if I draw this, it will be more clear. According to this, you can see the difference. So I am creating a box, just a box. So this is the thing. So after that, from here, sorry, it is done by mistake. Sometimes this happens. Yeah. Now this. Now. Okay. This. Now this. So this is our two, or I say one time, 1 point perspective. So go to edit. Sorry, Windows brush library. There are few more brushes. I will download new brushes. Download all the brushes. That's it. Download, and this download all the brushes. So just minimize it. It is not the part of our syllabus that I will show you. Now layer editor. Go this and shrink it to down. Create a new layer. Just click on it and just move your mouse whatever you want to do. If you want to add a layer, just go here. If you want to delete the layer, go here. If you want to duplicate the layer, go here. If you want to hide and all this, lock the layer and all that. Okay, I've created a new layer. Go to this layer. Now zoom it properly. Okay, now this is a new layer in which I will do this. So what I will do is I will this is the opacity of the layer background layer. So after that, oh sorry, I'm doing it in the new layer. Select the new layer and create a line. I will teach you step by step how to become pro in Sketchbook. Every week I will release a new video in my timeline. Okay, you can buy a graphic tablet. That is the best thing. I mean that you should buy a graphic tablet. I'll give the link in the description of the best graphic tablet that you can use according to your comfort. If you work at the home, then I will suggest you a big graphic tablet. Otherwise, there is a small graphic tablet like iPad. It looks like it is small like an iPad. Okay. So after that, this line. So I've created a box. This is the box. It should decorate. I'm just doing it to understand and to show you what is the product. So this is my. So this is what I want to. So this is what I want to show you. This is the cube that you can draw from this. This is the basic thing that you should do. And